Hello and welcome to REGO-FIX Tech Chat. My name is John Harvey. I'm the digital content specialist here at REGO-FIX USA, and today we're going to do something slightly different than normal. Today is actually the 2-year anniversary of the REGO-FIX Tech Chat series, and so I'd like to cover that a little bit and then see if we can get some of your help in developing the series further. So let's get to it. In April of 2020, we released our very first video, which was focused on the power grip system for use with the WTO Quick Flex system. Now, we did this at a time when most of the world was in lockdown because of the COVID pandemic, yet we still wanted to be able to show a product off to our customers when we couldn't actually be there in person. So how do we do that? Well, we threw David in front of a camera, had him talk about it a little bit, and then put it online. And honestly, that's really all it took to get a pretty good viewership from that. We had good results, good feedback, and thought, you know what, let's develop this into a weekly series. So that's what we did. At the start, we mainly covered REGO-FIX product because, we wanted to have a video that we could, let our reps push towards, or we could push towards our end users and distributors to actually show the product. However, as time went on, we realized that, well, we could actually, push this out to all sorts of people across the industry with general industry knowledge about tool holders, about tool holding in general, which is really our specialty. Now, as we've kind of gone forward, we've realized that our viewership has grown substantially to the point where we have videos going out to high school and college students, as well as to people that have been in the industry for 40, 50 years. So we need your help a little bit on seeing how we can define the videos further. Is there anything that you want to see from REGO-FIX in our Tech Chat videos that we haven't already covered? This could be REGO-FIX related with our products, with our power grip and ER lines, or it can just deal with the industry at large and information we present that way. Do you want to see anything more specific within the industry, or should we keep things more generalized? What kind of content suits you the best, and what can we do to kind of develop that further? Whether it's making a more simplified program and maybe it splits off from Tech Chat for those that are newer to the industry, or more specific things like we've got in the past with things like fretting and sorts of those types of industry issues that we're seeing already. So let us know what you think, whether that's ideas, feedback, questions, anything of that sort. My email is down below. Feel free to email me with any ideas, and if you do so, we'll send you some REGO-FIX merch. Just as appreciation for helping us with this endeavor and growing this Tech Chat series further. Again, we could not have done this without you. We thank so much for letting us do this for 2 years. David and I couldn't be any more proud of what has been accomplished these last couple years, and we hope to continue to grow that out further. So again, send me an email, any ideas or anything like that. We'll get you some REGO-FIX merch, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Again, my name's John Harvey. Have a good one.